Hi, everybody. Today is Friday, May 8th. Can't believe we're in May already. That's crazy. So today we're going to be talking about relative versus absolute dating. So first thing you're going to be doing is you're going to be navigating to this website right here. This website, it should bring you up to page 3. You can see here the number up here tells you page 3. If it does not bring you up to page 3, make sure you start at page 3. We only really want you working pages 3, 4, and 5. So this website is going to help you develop an understanding of relative dating. What is relative dating? Well, what these timelines show, and as you click through these activities, these timelines are going to these timelines are going to show relative order in which these events happened, from the earliest to the most recent. But they don't tell you the actual dates of when they occurred. They're just events. So once you were able to see the actual years of these events, you had an absolute date of when it happened. But right now we're just talking about the relative order. All you're going to do is click and drag these pictures into the timeline, see how it ends up for you. And all 3 pages 3, 4, and 5, you'll be clicking and dragging into a timeline. So then what we were going to ask you to do next is, if you scroll down, we want you to fill in these boxes with events in your life, okay, in relative order. So from the event that occurred farthest away to the event that occurred most presently. So these events are going to be in order of your life, but they're not going to include any dates or ages or anything like that. You can choose any 4 events that you would like to put onto this timeline. First, a couple examples, maybe when you lost your first tooth, when you started kindergarten, maybe you received a special award. Think of 4 outstanding events in your life that you could put onto this timeline. So what you're going to do next is, excuse me, my screen here. You're going to learn a lot more about relative dating. We kind of just did a quick introduction on the page above, and how that includes rocks and fossils later on in this unit. But then we also need to talk about what is absolute dating. So how do you actually know the actual age of a rock or a fossil? As scientists, we want to know the actual age of things. You're going to navigate to the BrainPop here. The username and password are the same. It's Annan, all lowercase. Please note that this video only really discusses one type of radioactive element used for dating, which is carbon. We use carbon a lot. But for rocks, we can also use other radioactive elements that decay over a much longer periods of time, such as potassium-40, uranium-238, uranium-235, and there's some others there listed. Once you're done with the BrainPop, you're going to navigate to this Google form. It's a really short Google form. I believe it's only 5 questions. We ask that you put your name, period, and then, oh, I was wrong. It was only 4 questions. And this is your classwork grade for today, along with turning in this timeline here. So please, again, if you have any questions as you're working today, reach out, send an email. Just a reminder, there are 4 parts that you have to do today, so make sure you're getting all 4 parts done. And I look forward to seeing what you turn in. Have a great day.